dear. You want a treat? No? Okay. You want the love? Oh, you're so cute. You want to play with the banana? Oh, look at you. Hi. Come here, babies. Come here. Oh, you're so precious. Oh, yeah, you're like the same age as my kid. Hi, dear babies. Oh, that food's much better than my food, huh? Your food's gross. Oh, stretchies. Hi, babies. Oh. You startled? You out of food? What a travesty, huh? Oh no. This one is Homer. Hi, Homer. He is so fluffy and pretty. Look at those big green eyes. Oh, the good green eyes. It's a little skittish, but it's good. He's fine. Yes. Very purry and cute. You remember? Oh, yes. Rub on the camera? No? Oh, good kitten. Good baby. That's a pretty baby. He's joining me on my lap. You want to rest with me? I don't know if you want pet. No? Okay. You can just lay on me if you want. That's fine too. Oh, pretty babe. Oh, the pretty babe. Yeah, making yourself at home? Yeah? Okay. Do you want pet or not? No? No? You're so pretty. Yes. So pretty. Such a pretty boy. Look at this. Is that a belly I see? Oh, you're shy now, huh? Oh, yes. Oh, the buns. You're so cute. And so soft. So soft. And surprisingly not sheddy. Must be groomed a lot, huh? Look at his face. This one likes laying on you but not being touched. Nope. Yep, see, doesn't like being touched. Just wants to sit on you. This one's so lovey. I don't know why they put that it was like skittish. The grump face. The grump face for touching him once. It's like, nah, I'm sitting on you forever. You don't like me petting you, why are you sitting on me? This makes no sense. Makes no sense. Hi, babies. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're so cute. Look at your little rumply face. Hi, baby. Oh, no biting. No bites. No, let's not do that. That's a bad habit to start. I'm not a mom. I can't nurse you. I'm sorry. Oh, babies. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, hi, my love. Oh, you're just a baby. I came here for an adult. Don't do this to me, babies. Oh, oh that one's cute too. Hi, baby. Oh, is that who you were waiting for?
Is that your sister? Really? You're going potty with a blanket?
Great.
Stay out of that.
This one cannot be bothered. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this curly. Oh, it's curly. Oh. New puppies. New baby puppies. I want them. Oh goodness. Mamas! Mamas, you're okay?